Good day, viewers. I remain my humble self, Otemu Ogenenyero, teaching on YouTube. I encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Otemu Man's Success. So before me on the board is differentiation using product rule. Now, if I have to differentiate 2x plus 3 raised to the power 3 into 4x raised to the power 2 minus 1 raised to the power 2. Now write solution. Let me call here U. Let me call here V. And I say let U be 2x plus 3 raised to the power of 3. So du dx using chain rule, this power will come down into 2x plus 1 plus 3 raised to the power 2 dot. You will now differentiate what is inside the bracket, and differentiate gives us 2. So therefore, 2 times 3 is 6 into 2x plus 3 all raised to power 2. That is du dx. So I'll now say, okay, let V be 4x raised to power 2 minus 1 all raised to the power of 2. So we want to differentiate this dv dx to be, these two will come down into 4x raised to the power 2 minus 1. You differentiate what is inside the bracket, give us dot 8x. Then we use 2 to multiply 8x to give us 16x into 4x raised to the power 2 minus 1. So now our duty is to apply it into the problem. So when you apply it into the problem, now say, okay, dy dx is equals to u dv dx plus v du dx. Dy dx is equals to u dv dx plus v du dx. Okay, let us get, what is our u? Our u is 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3 all raised to the power of 3 times, what is now dv dx, times 16x into 4x raised to the power 2 minus 1. Okay, this place will not be enough. Let me just take it down and write it down here. Now, so what is now u now? U again, I write it again, 2x plus 3 raised to the power 3 times dv dx again is 16x into 4x raised to the power 2 minus 1. Then plus, what is v? V is 4x raised to the power 2 minus 1 all raised to the power 2 times, what is now du dx is 6 into 2x plus 3 raised to the power of 2. So what I want us to do, I want to bring this to this side, this one to this side, which is the same thing as 16x into 4x raised to the power 2 minus 1, the same thing. Now, into 2x plus 3 raised to the power 3, then plus, I will bring 6 into 2x plus 3 raised to the power 2 into 4x raised to the power 2 minus 1 raised to the power 2. So what we do is to factor out what is common in that expression. I want to factor out what is common in the expression. So when I look at this, here is 16x, here is 6. So what is common there first is 2. I'll take 2 out. Now, when you look at 4x raised to the power 2 minus 1 is raised to the power 1 here. 4x raised to the power 2 minus 1 raised to the power 2. So if I bring this one out, which is 4x raised to the power 2 minus 1, this one is off. Yeah, it reduces on to 1. Okay, we are taking it gradually. When you look at here too, here is 2s plus 3 raised to the power 3. We have 2s plus 3 raised to the power 2. So this one will come, which is 2x plus 3 raised to the power of 2. So this one is off. This one remains one of it. So now when you pick what is not common is what you will drop in the bracket. If you bring 2 out of here, here remain 8x. Here remain 8x. What will now remain here? Into 2x plus 3. If you bring 2 out of here, here will now remain plus 3 into 4x raised to the power 2 minus 1. So now let us now clear the bracket let us clear this bracket. Now let me clean here. So now here is 2 into 4x raised to the power of 2 minus 1 into 2x plus 3 raised to the power 2 into, when you open this bracket, 8x times 2x, 8x times 2x gives us 16x raised to the power of 2. Now, 8x times plus 3 gives us plus 24x. Now, 3 times 4x squared gives us plus 12x raised to the power 2. Then 3 times minus 1 gives us minus 3. So what would that be our final answer? Here is 2 into 4x raised to the power 2 minus 1 into 2x plus 3 raised to the power 2. Then if you open this one now, this will have x. So what is 16x squared plus 12x squared? Give us 28x squared. Then plus 24x minus 3. This is our final answer, applying product rule to solve that expression.